Hi children, how are you doing? Great? Good. Once it happened, the moon was looking at the earth and he felt that everything is gloomy a little. He was wondering, why so? I am beaming on the full moon day, stars are twinkling on the new moon day, and still, why everyone is not that happy? Then he understood that lockdown was going on Earth and that's why people were not that happy. He was sad for a while but said, okay, that's only for a few days. Afterwards, everything will be normal. And so he thought for a while. He said, I'm also bored of revolving Earth round and round and round and round years after years. It has been more than thousands of years that I have been following the same routine. Let me have a change. Why don't I go for a holiday? And he thought for a while, what to do, what to do. And he decided to go on a long tour. He first considered Venus and Mercury. But then there are no moons to Mercury and Venus. He said it will be dull holiday. And they are too near to the sun. So it's so hot. Oh no, I will not go to Mercury and Venus. Then he decided about Mars. Yeah, a small happy family with two moons. But then he thought, if it is going for a longer time, why don't I go for a longer holiday? I will go to Jupiter, the biggest planet. And there are so many moons to Jupiter, 52 of them. And small other cousin moons are also there. It will be fun to enjoy in a big family. I was thinking, but the Saturn has so beautiful rings. I've never seen Saturn's rings. It will be fun. It will be beautiful sight to see Saturn's ring. And Saturn too has 52 moons and so many cousin moons. Oh, he thought about Uranus and Neptune too. They too have moons, but in lesser number than Jupiter and Saturn. But they are far away. He said, I'll be tired in such a long journey. And so he decided that he will go for a tour to Saturn. Yeah. And decided immediately started arranging for it. He thought for what he will have to take everything. Then he thought, yeah, I will have to have a rocket. So he managed for a rocket. And then the tea of leaving for Saturn came, immediately sat in the rocket and started moving towards Saturn. First, he had to go away from the gravitational pull of Earth. He gave the thrust, and with that thrust, he went away from the Earth's gravitational pull. He could see Earth, blue and green. Said, waved, bye bye Earth, I am going for a tour. Yeah. He was very happy. And he started moving ahead and ahead. Earth was looking smaller and smaller, like a small, very small dot. Moon was very happy. He was looking at the twinkling stars in the dark sky. They were looking amazing. There were some comets. He was very thrilled because he had never been on such a long tour. As the moon started going further and further away from Earth, high tide and low tide on Earth stopped. Waves became very small waves on the ocean. You know, children, moon's gravitational force is responsible for having high tide and low tide on Earth. As the moon went away, these tides became very small. Now, what happens when there are huge waves because of tides? The water flows up, ra- flows down on the ocean. With that, oxygen in the air gets mixed with it. And you know, on Earth, there are some small creatures on the seashores. When the high tide or when the wave comes, they come on the shore, settle down in the small holes and pits on the seashore, bathe in the sunshine, and then go back to sea when another wave comes. As the wave becomes smaller, high tide, low tide stop. Life of these creatures was endangered. They could not judge how to adjust their life cycle with it. When the earth is spinning, it is tilted at 23 degrees angle, isn't it, children? Yeah. That stability is given to earth by moon too. Moon is effective in that too. And because of that, we have seasons on earth. As the moon went away, the seasons became different. They became, yeah, not like normal. Because of these things, life cycle of some of the creatures on earth got disturbed. Some fishes realized fishermen could not find fishes more and noticed that there is no moon in the sky. They were puzzled. New moon days are not for such a long period. Where is moon? Some wise fishes in the sea also realized that when they jump upon the waves in themselves have become smaller. They cannot see the glittering silver shine of moon. Some wise fishes told others, these all problems are because moon is not seen. Moon has gone somewhere. We have to pray moon and ask him to come back. Thousands of creatures are dying on the seashore and in the sea. So, Moon was looking at the earth from far away, but he understood that these fishes and other thousands of creatures are dying because the life cycle on the earth has got disturbed. And he felt very sad. He said, "Oh no, I should not do like this. I did not mean or intend to kill so many creatures on the earth. Duty first. I must return to earth immediately." And immediately turned his rocket towards Earth's area and started revolving around the earth round and round. High tide, low tide again happened. Fishes were happy. They were swimming on the high tides, high waves. Jumping on the waves, they saw the moon and said, "Oh moon, thank you."